Dear students, now we are going to solve question number 7 of review exercise 4. That is Q is given, that is Q is equal to under root 5 plus 2. We need to find the value of Q plus 1 upon Q, Q minus 1 upon Q, Q square plus 1 upon Q square and Q square minus 1 upon Q square. Let's start solving. It's the first part, that is Q plus 1 upon Q. So Q is given, but 1 upon Q we need to find. If Q is equal to under root 5 plus 2, then 1 upon Q will be 1 upon under root 5 plus 2. So by the rationalization process, we have to resolve this denominator into rational number, eliminate radical sign from the denominator. So we need to do the process of rationalization. What is the process of rationalization? In the process of rationalization, we have to take conjugate of the denominator and multiply it by the numerator as well as in the denominator. Under root 5 minus 2 we have multiplied and divided. So it will be, this is a plus b into a minus b. It will be under root 5 whole square minus 2 square. That is under root 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 4. 1 upon q will be under root 5 minus 2. Now q plus 1 upon q. What is the value of q? Under root 5 plus 2 plus 1 upon q is under root 5 minus 2. This positive negative will be cancelled. I have told you before as well, consider surd as a variable. If I am having a plus a, answer will be 2a. It's not a square, it's 2a. Means the coefficient of here, the coefficient of this a, and or we can say that taking a as common, so 1 plus 1 is there, so 2 into a. If 2a plus 3a is there, so a will be common, 2 plus 3, so 5 into a. Here in the same case, let us consider it as a variable. So it will be, here what is the coefficient? 1, and under root 5 will be taking as a common 1 plus 1, that is 2 under root 5. Now we are going to find the value of q minus 1 upon q plus 2 minus under root 5 minus 2. When we are going to open it, plus minus minus under root 5, minus minus plus 2. These both two are positive negative cancelled, so this is equal to 4. So q minus 1 upon q is equal to, that is equal to 4. Now we have to find out the value of q square plus 1 upon q. So if I am going to take square on both sides, as a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab प्लस माइनस है तो यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा? माइनस 2a, इन द प्लेस ऑफ a देयर इज q, इन द प्लेस ऑफ b देयर इज 1 अपॉन q. ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, इज इक्वल टू 16. ये जो बाकी 2 यहाँ बचा है, यहाँ जाके क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस 2. So q square plus 1 upon q square is equal to 18. This is equal to 18. Now at the end we have to find the value of q square minus 1 upon q. We remember that formula: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Fine. So here we will apply this formula. In the place of a there is q, in the place of b there is 1 upon q. Square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. ऐसा ही होता है ना. In the place of a there is q, so it will be q plus 1 upon q into q minus 1 upon q. So q plus, the value of q plus 1 upon q is 2 under root 5 and 1q minus 1 upon q is 4. Have to multiply coefficient of 5, that is 2, with 4. So it will be 4 to the 8 under root 5. Now we are going to solve question number 8, its second part. Question number 8, first part is same like this one. Here we are having both two are in form of fraction and the denominator of both two terms are binomial. So we have to simplify it. For the simplification we need to convert that denominator into rational number, or we have to eliminate radical sign from the denominator. So let's rationalize that. So let's rationalize it. A plus in the process of rationalization we have to multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. So this is the conjugate of denominator, minus numerator will multiply with 1. In the denominator we are having this a plus b, a minus b. So as we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We know that. Fine. So here we are applying this formula. A square means a square minus b, in the place of b there is under root, a square minus x square whole square. Fine. Minus a is multiply a square, again a plus b into a minus b, so a square minus under root a square minus x whole square. Fine. This will be cancelled. Minus this under root is cancelled. A square minus x square. A minus under root a square minus x square will be same, and the denominator is a square minus x square. So when we are opening this bracket, so this will be minus and minus minus plus. Again minus plus minus minus and minus minus will be plus. Minus is positive a square minus a square cancel. So remaining we are having, we take LCM. When we are opening this bracket, minus a minus minus plus, this will be cancelled. Fine. This will be cancelled. So we are having 1. Consider this third as one variable. So there are two variables, so it means that coefficients are going to add. It will be 2 into a square minus x square by x square. And that is the required one. dear students, I hope you have understood all the questions which we have done today. In my next lecture, we are going to start chapter 5 of Karwan, that is about factorization, remainder theorem, factor theorem, factorization of cubic polynomials. So keep watching my videos. God bless you and Allah Hafiz.